Good morning, everyone. Today, November 23, 2022, is Wednesday. I just let everyone know the Google servers got hacked by Chinese hacker right now. Just be aware, and better you just set up the two-way fact for your email or anything special, especially on your YouTube and Google. Try to keep them really safe. And good morning, all traders again. And this morning we see the US dollars down. That's pretty good sign. Energy is down $79 for 1 peso. Financials up. Indicate is up a little bit. That's pretty good. And goes down to 1,730 some. That's pretty good. And Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500 is it's a little high this morning, but right now is we can see that just like 25, 26 is 30. This morning was like 40 some for Dow Jones points. Nasdaq was 30 some. It's right now it's 28, and SP 500 was like 10, and right now it's 5. Just be aware, because like today they get like from now to this week the consumer index is already gained. That's why all of the points, like economy point, all of them, all the sectors, most of them going to be green. But next week going to be pretty low. Please, anything just sell in this week. Otherwise, you have to wait till December. Around like Christmas week is going to be up again. All of them we can see all the active one, like the most highest percent one and the most lowest percent on. But right now we can see the most active ones on the Tesla and Pali and Baba. So the most percent gained is APGN and GSUN and PERF. It's gained about 33%, 19%, and 9%, though down to 5-6%. That's pretty easy to buy. It was like 1.9, and right now it's 2.5. But you want to buy this one in safe, you can go ahead and buy like 2.4, 2.5. But be prepared for the main order like 1.8. Yeah, because you cannot buy it higher than previous price. You have to prepare when they drop. Then your average is like around $2, easier to buy. 2.2, easier to sell out. And free market loser, we have a TCBP and Poly, PALI. Yeah, it's not that bad. Some of them lost like 70, 80%. It's normally like a few days ago we can see 85% loss in just open the market. That's pretty ridiculous. So here we see on like Nasdaq is like 20 some point. Yeah, it's down on like 20 points. It's pretty decent. And we can see on the natural gas, let's add up a little bit slowly. And all the food price start to gain up because the consumer index and especially holiday, everything kind of gained. So ETF as we can see, SPY and QQQ yesterday. Yeah, a few days ago I told people buy, and right now you can sell around 400. Like, yeah, that's pretty good and pretty stable to for SPY and QQQ. You can make like around $5 to $6 for a share on top. But remember, that's really slow profit, but stable. So GOEV is 0.5. Is put. That's pretty good, and you can get on January 22 and 23. And Tesla, we can do the call one on around December 16, but we can move them to December 27. And I think that's the most one we can do. Like, what's right now? This morning, a lot of people do call, and the system show the call signal much stronger. So the market major overview, we repeat them a little bit. So we can see on here just with it's dropped a little bit, but most of the food price is gain, and especially gold drop. That's pretty good. If gold drop under 1,700 for, then we have to looking for some of the gold stock. And on here we get really special list for the earning for today. That's many different company. Like one day usually like we get like around 50 company file earnings. We get around like over 10,000 like corporation. And LLC, honestly, LLC cannot count anymore. LLC got stock too. Corporation gets stock too, but usually corporation is more stable and more trustable. A lot of people like interest on that. And we can take a screenshot of that list, and that's easier to watch. So the first one today is SBOW. So the report is on the screen. It's right now it's going down. That's pretty good time to buy. If you don't want to buy as normally, just get an option and do the put, because right now the oil price still lower a little bit. And we can see on here the most earning is 3.19 on October 2nd. That's pretty good earning, and their beta is 2.4. That's awesome. So the cap is just over $800 million, but it was like over $1 billion. I mean, the cap dropped, and of course the price have to drop. By the way, earnings higher, beta is higher. That's mean it's going to be make money later. So those income, they're all in positive number, and they grow like 39% in a year, 31% in, or 311% in 3 years. I mean, they grow a lot. That's what we're looking for. Per share, all of them. You have to take a screenshot, because like I just have like usually 10 minutes for the whole every section. It's not much time to explain each of them, what they do, how they work. It get really fast for overview, because the second one is NOG, no oil and gas. So keep this stock around 36, 35. Even though 34, you can make money on it. Especially is $2.8 billion, and the base in Minnesota. So highest one is 39 and lowest one is 17. Is Donkey Team right now. I don't think it's 17 going to be work if it never happen again. Promise. Yeah. If Elephant Team, you can get like 15, 16, 17 easily, and of course, we pay for the whole gas tank just like $28, $30. Yeah, I got really big car, and right now pay $70, $80. That's scary. So we can see all the earning is level up. It's pretty good, and especially in positive. Every Q is slowly but stable. Here this one we can call a stale earning. from positive. Yeah, stay earning from negative is different, but this one all in positive side. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and see you guys tomorrow. But anyway, tomorrow's holiday. Happy holiday.